right, for these three problems, we can use our calculator for the second two. My emulator is an older emulator, and so I cannot do implicit differentiation on number 1, but I know those of you with a new souped-up version of an 89 can do implicit differentiation, and feel free. But I will do it the old school by hand way, so I'm going to do it down below where I have white space. So I take a derivative. 4x squared goes to 8x. 2xy goes to 2x dy dx plus 2y plus 3 dy dx, all equal to the derivative of 9, which is 0. Then I'm going to go ahead and plug in my values for x and y. So every time I have an x, I'm multiplying by 2, leaving my dy dx there. Every time I have a y, I'm multiplying by -1. And now I can just go ahead and solve for dy dx. So I'm going to go ahead and take, let's see, I have 4 dy dx plus 3 dy dx, which is 7 dy dx. And then on my other side, I have this 16 minus 2 is 14, but flip it to the other side, I get -14. So my dy dx, I can already tell, is -2. Now for number 8, we're going to use the limit capabilities in our calculator. So I'm going to go ahead and in my calculator, I will type in, let me shrink my calculator a bit so we can see the whole thing. So I'm going to type in onto my home screen the expression first. So I'll do the square root of x plus 3. And notice that I open parentheses at the beginning because I want my entire numerator in parentheses. So the entire square root of x plus 3, all minus 2, and then divide by 1 minus x. And I hit enter, and I can confirm on my left-hand expression that's exactly as I typed it in. I always confirm with this that I did it right. On the right, they always simplify, so there's no need to check if the simplification's okay. Just check to see if your original is okay. Then I need F3 calculus, and I'm going to find the limit, so choice 3. Go up and grab my original, and then comma x, comma 1. This tells it to take the limit as x approaches 1. And my answer is -1/4, B. Now, number 9 is also a limit problem, so I'm going to go ahead and type in my new expression, and the really cool thing is that I use the e's and the h's. So if I plug in, let's start with an open paren, and I have e to the a plus h. So we'll do alpha a plus alpha h minus e to the a. And I'm using my alpha keys for the a and the h. Close paren and divide by h, alpha h. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the limit again. I confirm up here that I have the correct expression. F3, choice 3, grab what I've typed in, comma, oops, forgot the comma h, comma 0. So I'm taking the limit as h goes to 0, and I'm going to get e to the a. And that means that D is my answer. This actually can be easily done without a calculator because this is just the definition of the derivative of the function e to the x where x equals a.